Good evening. While going through my LinkedIn profile and meeting several people, I find so many students are not able to complete their professional courses like CA, cost accountancy, uh, company secretaries. They get frustrated and leave in between. Every year, millions of students try to get into IIT, UPSC, and parents spend their hard-earned money. Actually, in the state of Bihar and UP, several parents sell their land to finance their children's education in the hope that once they qualify, all the debt will be repaid. While I was doing my CA in 82-83, one of the senior most CA advised me and gave me a technique. This technique I shared with several CAs who are not passing for several attempts and several people struggling to pass any type of exam. The rule is 1000 hour, 600 hour of reading, 300 hour of writing, and 100 hour of meditation, and try to understand the subject and digest. This same formula I read or heard by the chairman of Unacademy, who was the youngest doctor in Rajasthan, and he was the youngest IAS officer in Rajasthan. Then he left his IAS and pursuing the Unacademy, the educational institution. For CAs, I would advise them, first you analyze your all past performance, because I saw an advertisement by Vedantu Group. On average, people take 5 attempts to pass CA. How this can be improved? Ultimately, what you write in exam will get you the marks and will be this marks will get them the degree. The results are bit difficult because minimum passing mark in each subject is 40 and aggregate has to be 50. Several students, they get the good marks in all the subjects more than 40, but their aggregate is not 50. First, we resolve this problem. Look at the 1 or 2 practical subjects in the group. Try to get 100 out of 100 in that group, so that other subjects, when you get 40, 45, you can pass the exam. One more thing I can share with you with the confidence, that every year institute gives the grace mark for the students to qualify. That depends upon the council at that particular point, general result and other thing. Now for the CAs, what they can do, or what they shall do. They should first analyze last attempts paper of their own with the marks. Make a chart. In one of the subject where you are weak, and where you are failing. That is one of the concentration area. Make your strategy plan. Solve last 5 years 10 papers and request one of your friends or seniors to check it for you. He would be able to check and tell you what are the mistakes you have made. Or what you can do is you can make a group of 4 students. All these 4 students should write the paper. They should exchange with each other and check each other's paper. When they will check each other's paper, automatically they will find out what are the mistakes they have made. Once they do it, you will find out what mistakes you are making, and correct answers would be locked in your brain. Because repeatedly studying the same subject again and again is quite boring and difficult. My wish is everybody should qualify in the subject which they are pursuing. I hope that this video may help some students who are pursuing their goal in achieving their goal. I can tell you from my experience that there are several students in Kenya, Nigeria and India have passed the exam. I'll give you example of 2 of my colleagues. They were working with me and not passing the exam for 7-8 years. I gave this advice. One of them took my advice seriously and followed the same study pattern. He passed the exam. Other guy said what this buffoon knows and ignored it. When he failed, he asked that guy, how did you pass? He said, I followed Subodhji's method. He also followed my method. It's not my method. It's one of the chartered accountants who have passed their CA in 1938 I'm saying, and has trained thousands of students under him. Please do work hard and get qualified and bring laurel to your family and comfortable life. I can say to everybody who gets a professionally qualified, let it be engineering, medicine, accountancy, law, they do live better and comfortable life. So work hard, start writing, start getting your paper checked. You will achieve your goal. Thank you.